Hi students, in last video we learnt about 5 features of the 5 characteristic features of the living things and non-living things. What are they? Once recall. Living things can grow, living things can move, living things need food, living things can breathe and living things can feel. In this video we are going to learn about 2 more characteristic features. Sixth one, living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. What is meant by reproduction? The process of producing young ones of its own kind is called reproduction. Again, what is reproduction? The process of producing young ones of its own kind, like their parents, is called reproduction. Here, some animals, some living things give birth to young ones, and some living things they lay eggs. So, based on the reproduction, these living things are divided into 2 types. Animals are divided into 2 types: egg-laying animals and birth-giving animals. The animals which lays eggs to reproduce are called egg-laying animals. Example: birds, frog, and snake. Birth-giving animals. The animals which give birth to young ones are called birth-giving animals. Example: human being, cow, goat, sheep, tiger, lion, and so on. What about plants? How plants will reproduce? Most of the plants are reproduced by seeds. Plants reproduce by 4 ways: by seed, by stem, by root, and by leaves. But most of the plants reproduce by seed. And 7th one, living things die. All living things have particular certain lifespan. What is meant by this lifespan? Lifespan is the specific period of time for which living things stay alive. What is lifespan? The specific period of time for which living things stay alive. All living things have particular lifespan. After that, living things can die. Living things die. Here, for example, mayfly. It is an aquatic insect. It lives in water. This lifespan of this mayfly is only few days. After few days, it may die. And human being lifespan is 70 years. Average 70 years. So, what are these? Living things reproduce. What about non-living things? Non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things die and non-living things do not die. Now we are going to do the textbook exercises. So here one matching they given. What are they given? Gills, non-living things, antenna, plant showing feelings, and human beings. Here they given aeroplane, cockroach, fish, nose, and plant. Touch me not, plant. So first one, gills. Here in this column, gills matches with, do they match with aeroplane, cockroach, fish? Yes, fish breathe through gills. So we can match the gills with fish. Second one, non-living things. Which is the non-living thing here? Aeroplane, cockroach, nose, and touch me not, plant. Which is the non-living thing? Yes, aeroplane. So we can match this non-living thing with aeroplane. Third one, antenna. So which is having antenna here? What is the antenna? Small thread-like structure is called antenna. So which is having antenna here? Cockroach. So we can match antenna with cockroach. And next one, plant showing feelings. Here 2 options only left. Where we can see the plant, this. So this is the touch me not plant. When you touch the leaves, it falls immediately. So plant showing feelings we can match with touch me not plant. And human beings. So this is the nose of human being. We can match human beings with nose. And second exercise. These are the chooses. Plants, first one is plants breathe with the help of spiracles, lungs, stomata and roots. Plants breathe with the help of stomata. What is stomata? Stomata is the small holes present underside of the leaf. So plants breathe through stomata. Second one, plants prepare food by a process called. Plants prepare the food by their own. That process what we call? Is it breathing, photosynthesis, is it cooking or is it cleaning? So which is the correct answer here? This one, photosynthesis. Third one, dash move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. So which is the correct answer? Rivers, mountains, plants and animals. So which is the correct answer? Who moves from one place to another place in search of food and shelter? Yes, animals. Animals move. And next one, dash cannot move on their own. Here, which cannot move on their own? Living things. Living things can move. Frogs also can move. Human beings also can move. So, natural things cannot move on their own. Next one, dash feel changes in the surroundings with the help of antenna. So which is having antenna? In the matching also we can observe. So which is having antenna? Cockroach. It is an insect. Here see which is the correct answer? Birds, plants, insects and animals. Which is the correct answer? Insects. Insects feel the changes in the surroundings with the help of antenna.